Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Val's Photography. Today we're going to talk about 10 inexpensive gifts to give the photographer or videographer in your life. 10 right now, and that is actually this blower. Okay, this blower is number 10. Pretty much what it does is it gets all the dust off your lenses and everything. It's pretty much very cheap, inexpensive to get. They'll thank you forever because photographers usually don't get this. So mine is going to be actually this little thing right here. Okay, this little thing is a modified egg timer, pretty much. What it is it's a device for time lapses, which I'm just showing you right now. I think this was like $30 at most when I got it. It works great. Like I said, I'm showing you that. Number a microfiber cloth. Okay, the microfiber cloth, all you gotta do, take off your lens cap, clean your element with it, you're good to go. So pretty much put your cap back on, so therefore no dust gets in there. 7 is storage. Okay, these neat little bags help with storage a lot and everything. So just go ahead and put that stuff in there, and like for example, just put all the stuff that in the nice little bag and everything, and then you can just go ahead and give it to your photographer in your life, and they'll be happy. They'll be very happy with that. So that was number 7. Number 6, step-up rings. Okay, now this is going to go with number 5 also. Okay, the reason why you need step-up rings is because of, when you buy filters and stuff, which we'll get to them in a minute. Okay, you're going to buy the biggest one that you can get for the biggest lens. Like this is an 82mm filter thread right here. And your photographer or videographer in your life will know his filter thread size, and just go ahead and get the biggest one that he's got, for the simple reason, then you just buy these cheap step-down rings instead of spending money on every different lens for filters and stuff. Okay, so that was number 6. Next is actually filters. Okay, I got 3 types of filters here. I got a variable ND filter, a 10-stop ND filter, and a polarizing filter. If you can only get one, I suggest the polarizing filter and stuff like that. And for the smaller they are, the cheaper they are. These will probably run you at about $75 for one of them. So, but they're well worth the investment. You can find cheaper options out there, but just the most important thing to remember on the cheaper options is that this is what you're putting in front of your big, expensive piece of glass. Okay, so. UV filters are great as a cheap insurance for your glass also. Like let's say I dropped this and everything and I didn't have a UV filter on it, I'd wreck that and have to buy a new piece of lens, and I'd be very upset with myself. With a UV filter on it, I can drop it and hopefully it'll just crack the UV filter, not the lens itself, and so therefore it saves it, keeps longer. I'd rather spend $75 on a UV filter than another $1,000 on another lens. So keep that in mind. 4 is batteries. Okay, find out what kind of camera they got. Get batteries for them. They can always use extra batteries. So that's the best way to get stuff like that, and they'll thank you forever for that. Number 3 is actually a two-parter too. So number 3 is stuff to store their SD cards in. Okay, and this is self-explanatory because these things are small, they get lost easy. 2 is SD cards. Okay, and they come in many different sizes and many different shapes. There's SD cards that are like this. There's QXD cards, CFast cards, compact flash cards and stuff like that. Just find out what kind of memory they use, so, and then get them that. It's rather cheap. Memory is rather cheap, and they can always use more of it. And then my number is actually going to be these lens ball type things like this and everything. I got 2 different sizes right here and stuff, but go ahead, pick out a size that you think they'd like and get them one of them. So and I'm showing you some photography with that involved in it. And guys, that's the 10 inexpensive gifts for this year and everything. If you guys like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and also hit that like button too. And that's all I have for you guys this week. Until next week, peace out. Bye.